Yeah, part 2. I ain't done. I ain't going nowhere. Look at this shit. Oh yeah. Dude tried to hit it. He tried to run. It's over. Yeah, man. It's South 13th, man. Crazy. That shit crazy.
Some ass people, yo, like.
Hey, somebody need a side door. That's how you gonna get out this bitch.
My life.
Hey, you need a tire. Hey, you need a tire. Hey, that motherfucker look like Batman car when he transformed and shit.
Life.
Quit playing.
Batman motorcycle and shit.
That motherfucker dumb, my nigga. Yeah, man. Richie Jones out here, man. Reporting live. Southside, man. That's how they do over here, man. Say your shit up. Nigga try to run off, got caught. Nigga, it's done. It's a done one for you. Let me zoom in. Yeah. They over there on that boy. Yeah, that guy he caught. Hey, boys on their way. He caught. Yeah, they caught him. He caught.
He thought he was gonna get away.
He caught. He tried to take off. I couldn't catch him, bro. That nigga took off like a little mice in the trap, bro.
It was 2 of them in the motherfucker.
My life. What?
Catch him on his ass. Fuck that.
Yeah, they holding him down over there. They ain't
Nah, I ain't trying to get too close, bro. The police come. I ain't trying to be over there. Oh, you recording this shit, nigga? Come here. You come here. Was you in the other car? I don't know shit.
You can't get arrested for recording that.
Man, fuck all that shit, nigga.
We the big.
Hey,
No.
this all I'm getting right now. I wish I had a video camera out here live. I would have seen all this shit.
For the right price.
But we good. We got one. We got a good one.
He had been drunk and the motherfucker flying through here like.
Bro, look at this motherfucker, dog. Look at this motherfucker, man. Quit playing. Hey, look at this shit. Look like a transformer got fucked up.
Transform the shit
Yeah, transform the shit out this hoe. Look.
That motherfucker, he transformed.
That motherfucker done, bro. I swear to God. That motherfucker a rap.
He alive?
Yeah, bro. He just tried to run, bro.
Like that motherfucker mighty hard.
He just tried to run, bro.
He's going 100 floating down this motherfucker on the real.
Bro, that's all that skirt we was hearing, bro.
That nigga alive.
He said be on our asses all the